不要，是什么字？
Zangin Hobensita at Ngoo Palawan, pues mo nga.
Pag sinabi ng asawa mo wag, ibig sabihin nun ay wag or huminto ka na.
Munga manaizu no eno.
This message has been brought to you by the Guam Coalition Against Sexual Assault and Family Violence.
Language is the foundation for many types of learning. Language development is impacted if there is any loss in the ability to hear. Even a mild hearing loss can dramatically affect a child's language development. Early identification of hearing loss is key to providing appropriate intervention services to promote language development. For more information on the Newborn Hearing Screening Program, please call 735-2466.
Dear Santa, we hope you will get this letter. My sister Amanda wants a Barbie doll. Amelia wants a baby Sparkle. And little Joe would like a Ninja Turtle toy. Oh, my name is Anna, and I sure would like a toy computer. Thank you, Santa. P.S. I'm sure you can find all these toys at Gibson's Toy Wonderland. I had this dream.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for extreme northeastern Harris County, southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Liberty County, until 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:37 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Roman Forest, or 8 miles northeast of Kingwood, and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Patton Village, Wood Branch, Roman Forest, Splendora, Plum Grove, and Dayton Lakes. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.